Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. Today I'm back with my monthly beauty box unboxing and we are in the month of June. So this month's box is this pretty colour packaging. It is a multicoloured box. Now I'm on the Lookfantastic website and the description this month's box has is: from screen to your skincare routine, we're snapping up these beauty must-haves. We're breaking the internet this month with our so on-trend beauty box filled with 6 beauty delights with everything you need to add a bit of sparkle to your life, refresh your skin and sculpt, define and enhance your eyebrows. So these are all the goodies we have received in the June box, and coincidentally we are matching and it's kind of pink. Also we have the Edit magazine. As usual we have the editor's top picks, some notes and what's coming up later on. The first product we have received are these desirable What spot dots, and this is worth £15 and the pack contains 9 dots. This is vegan and cruelty free and I've always been interested to see how this works. I'm just going to open it up and see what it looks like on the inside. So the dots look like these. So it looks like little sticky tapes that you just kind of apply to the skin and you leave it on for 6 hours or overnight. The next product we have is this NYX Fairy Rose Micellar Water, and this is worth £10. It is 100ml and you just use a cotton pad and apply it to your face in the morning and evening. The next product we have is a watermelon body scrub, which is 100ml and this is worth £5.99. It is a scented exfoliator and you use it like any other body scrub, so you apply it to your skin and then you massage it in and rinse it off. Now I want to see what this smells like. Oh, it's sealed. This smells amazing. It smells like the watermelon sweets. I am looking forward to wearing this. The next product we have is the Catina Radiance Gommage, which is 15ml and it is worth £10. So this is a limited edition exfoliator and it says here that it's a unique balm to oil exfoliator with AHAs including glycolic, lactic, malic acid, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. A real and renewed and naturally radiant complexion, the perfect exfoliator for sensitive skin and those experiencing breakouts, clogged pores, dull skin, uneven skin tone and pigmentation. So on the back of here it says that you apply once or twice a week to dry skin and massage for 1 to 2 minutes until texture turns to liquid. Then you rinse it off with water. It smells a bit like grapefruit. But if I just pour some, oh look. This is what it looks like. Now I'm just going to rub it across my hands. Don't think you'll be able to see this, but it literally does feel like an oily balm here. Next we have the Clear Ico Brow Gel, which is 4ml and worth £10. This just locks your brows in gel, it's waterproof and it's claiming to last 24 hours. So it looks like this. So it has like a mini spoolie and then you just kind of apply it onto your brows and fix your brows into place. I've actually run out of brow gel, so this has come in good time and I'll be using this now. And finally we have the Lotte London Power Foil Golden Hour Eyeshadow Dust and this is £5.95. This is a loose glitter with foily sparkle. It's like a bronzy shade. I am just going to take a swatch. So I'm just going to take a swatch and put it on. It is suitable for vegans and it is very pigmented. You can apply this with a brush or your fingers, but this is what it looks like on my skin. So this brings me to the end of my tutorial. On the Lookfantastic website it states that the box is worth over £56 and I've calculated this. I come to a sum of £56.94. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and leave me a comment. Take care for now and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!